Hi everyone, this is my first paycheck of 2025. I'm paid bi-monthly and each paycheck is about $1,745. I have student loans that comes out to be around 277 and that's paid once a month. I pay my auto loan twice a month and each payment comes out to be $159.41. I have internet that's just $50 with T-Mobile, and I'm expecting to make a rather large payment of around $700 in January for my auto insurance. I pay that in one go, so I don't split it up. That's why it's $700. I'm doing a no-spend January to start off the year strong, and hopefully by the end of 2025, my debt amount will be lower. My biggest expense each month is my rent. I have a studio and I live alone, and that comes out to be around $1,250 a month. The only variable expense I didn't enter is my electricity, but that's usually about $60 to $70 a month. Once everything is said and done, that leaves me about $894 to spend on food, gas, and miscellaneous spending for the rest of the month.